Is Butoh just a zombie dance? So as you know, the zombie is a pop culture reference to the dead bodies who have resurrected, but they are still a bit dead, the walking dead. There is a relation between a Butoh world and the zombie world in that both work with this dead body. The only difference, which is a major difference, is that the dead body in the Butoh world does not stop at this corpse. Everybody just thinks of a mindless corpse. But in Butoh, the beginning place is the surrendering dead body so that we can travel. So unless this zombie is a more self-aware zombie, a zombie that has increased in ability after it has died, then I would say it is vastly different than this Butoh body. However, the zombie can be an entry point into the mainstream world because this dead body is what both Butoh and zombie have in common. Let's look at other perspectives of the dead body. The zombie or the Butoh body can have a relation with even Christianity in the Jesus that is put on the cross, sacrificed, and resurrects again. Some would say this figure is a zombie. However, because he has resurrected into something magnificent, this would be more in line with the Butoh, as the Butoh not only has this dead body, but goes beyond the dead body, because we are dancing the beyond. The starting place is this body we let go or we empty to let qualias or memories or spirits enter to resurrect us into this new world. One of Tatsumi Hijikata's quotes about Butoh was that Butoh was a body barely standing, which others may see that zombies are also entities barely standing. Yet again, it is all about what goes beyond this zombie, the resurrection. I would like to point out that the zombie, as one academic article points out, is the world of the mouth and the eating. The zombie exists only to consume, and it can be driven by just the mouth itself. And so this idea can be incorporated into Butoh practices, Butoh performances, as something that is mouth-centered. Did you know also that the idea of zombie also plays very nicely into the idea of being moved? There are certain insects that are like zombie insects, where parasites enter and control their movements. And so similarly, we can act as an empty medium like a zombie, so that something outside there or even inside of us, deep inside of us, can come out and control us.